Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Rank Math Pro and activating your license. This unlocks features you need. Once done, run the setup wizard and import any existing SEO data so nothing breaks. Make sure to select the correct site type and primary category. It guides schema defaults. Enable XML sitemaps, connect Webmaster Tools, and turn on basic structured data now. These immediate steps let search engines see your site while you continue refining settings. Now you go deeper. Set titles and meta templates to standardize SEO across pages and preview snippets for mobile and desktop. Use Content AI and choose focus keywords for priority pages to improve relevance. Add the correct schema type per post so rich results can appear. Once this is in place, adjust sitemap priorities and crawl frequency to match content value, and set up advanced redirections for moved URLs. These actions ensure consistent signals to search engines and protect rankings. Finish by running a site audit inside Rank Math. Address critical issues like duplicate titles, missing meta, and crawl errors immediately. Then monitor analytics to see which keywords gain traction and adjust priorities accordingly. Make sure to implement 301 redirects and canonical tags where needed, and clear caches after changes so updates show. If something breaks, check the redirection log and disable recent plugins. Often a plugin conflict is the culprit, and resaving permalinks fixes it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.